E is for eggs. Eggs. E is for eagle. Eagle. F is for fish. Fish. F is for flower. Flower.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
F is for frog. 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 F is for fan. Fan. F is for feather. 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 G is for goat. Goat. G is for gorilla. 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 G is for giraffe. 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 G is for gift. Gift. G is for goma. Goma. H is for hammer. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. H is for horse. Horse. H for horse. H is for hen. Hen.